What up, Twitch? We are doing the meteorology thing here at the Smash News Network, least busted name in news. Let's take a look at the jet streams of the extreme western world. Yes, the Americas. There are the jet streams. You can see doubled up jet streams here over North America. A little bit of extreme bends here down in the South Pacific. Here are the surface winds. Like sands through the hourglass of time, those are the surface winds of our lives. Let's take a look at Europe and Africa as well. There are the surface winds of Europe and Africa. Some strong winds in places like Egypt blowing north to south. Also a strong low here off of the coast of, I guess, Portugal? The coast of Portugal. Anyway, here are the jet streams of the Europe and African region. Also the Middle East depicted here. Doubled up jet streams in both hemispheres. And it looks like some warm air blowing up toward Greenland. It's going to provide some epic snowmelt. And last but not least, here is the east side. The eastern world here, those are the jet streams. Interesting divergence happening here in the North Pacific. The jet stream just splitting in two. And we've got two upper level lows here. There's a low and there's a low. They're both rotating counterclockwise, as lows do in the northern hemisphere. Here are the surface winds of this side of the planet. Some strong winds there coming into Tasmania. We've got an onshore wind there on the west coast of Tasmania. Also a powerful low rotating clockwise here as they do in the southern hemisphere off the coast of Western Australia. Did you know that we're also on YouTube? If you're only viewing the videos on Twitch, make sure you view us on YouTube because, well, you're missing a bunch of the content otherwise. We've got playlists. There are music videos. Have you seen Shut Up Fauci yet? Have you seen Shut Up Fauci yet? I mean, if not, I suggest you check it out. It's based on the song Hang On Sloopy. And shout out to Henry and Al of Mr. Keebler. Make sure you go subscribe to Mr. Keebler. Some lyrics, just the good old smash, never meaning no harm. Since beats all you've never saw, been in trouble on social media since before it existed. Yes, because I was a game server admin and a message board admin. Did you know that big tech can't break the internet, but the internet can break big tech? We wish they would stop misleading investors and fix their pathetic software and their pathetic putrid censorship. I don't know when it's going to end, but it may end with people on their boards going to prison, because misleading investors is still a crime even in a banana republic. Did I say banana republic? Here at the Smash News Network, we do not support banana republics. Here's your weather.gov map. Banana republics, yeah, they include things like rampant corporatism, fascist censorship, rampant government corruption, and don't forget two justice systems. Yeah, that's what we call it. It's called a banana republic. Although it's supposed to be a small country, I think we should change the definition, like Merriam-Webster has of so many other words in the past couple of years. Let's change the definition of banana republic to include large countries as well as small ones. If your county's lit in the weather.gov map, please click it. What's going on in special weather statements in Texas? I don't know what it is. I'm not clicking it. Weather.gov, you can figure it out yourself. If you're on the internet, you can probably go to weather.gov. Better yet, go to smashomash.com and click our links there. Pick up some merch. Universum Liberate is what I have to say about that. Let me just check the life of the stream here before we show some real-time lightning data. This is your NASA GOES lightning mapper here over the past about 10 hours. Heavy lightning over the eastern portion of the U.S. Some lightning in Idaho as well. Continuing on, here's your real-time lightning map from lightningmaps.org. It's just spectacular. And we've got some current strikes occurring. Newcastle, Pennsylvania. There's thunder rolling in. Also, Ashtabula. I never heard of it. It's right on the shore of Lake Erie. There's thunder rolling in there as well. We'll zoom back out to show your global lightning map. Again, lightningmaps.org. It could save your you-know-what. So check it out next time you hear thunder. Here's what's going on over the Pacific Ocean. There's water vapor above that largest body of water on the planet. And this is what it's doing. There's the behavior of the water vapor environment over the world's largest surface heat sink, largest body of water, the Pacific Ocean. It's kind of important in terms of the world's weather. It's a huge, desolate place, devoid of most humans. Massive moisture there. Some huge rains happening in Oklahoma and Arkansas. You can see all of this water vanishing off the map. We'll show you a better view of that momentarily. Next, we're going to talk about snow for a brief moment. Look at all the snow that remains. It's going to be an epic melt season. The snow is finally starting to cease in the U.S., but there's still quite a lot piled up. So let's take a look at what that amounts to in terms of data. Snow water equivalent still well over 1 standard deviation above normal. So we're going to have some floods when this snow starts to melt, and it's coming. It's coming soon. Here's your snow extent. Still at the 1 standard deviation above normal, folks. So albedo must be pretty high here, as the snow extent, again, is 1 full standard deviation above normal for this time of year. Snow mass balance, kind of low at the moment. So that's interesting. Not sure how the snow water equivalent can be so much higher than the snow mass balance, but keep in mind this does not include mountains. So that's probably going to cover it because it doesn't include mountains. But again, check out the snow water equivalent. It's going to be an epic melt season. If you're into whitewater rafting, it should be a good year for you. So here is the GFS pressure and precipitation forecast over the next 72 hours. Some snow continuing to fall there in Washington. And some rather heavy rains here expected in the central part of the country. Again, that's your 72-hour GFS pressure and precipitation forecast. You're all invited to visit smashamash.com. Welcome to the Neo Renaissance. Once again, congratulations on realizing the channel exists. If you're a larger Twitch channel, please host our channel. And make sure you view us on YouTube as well. Welcome to the Neo Renaissance. You can find a permanent link to our Discord chat there. You can send me an instant message if you like. Give Smash staff a raise by becoming a patron, or better yet, becoming a member of the Smash team, or by picking up some merch. Links all over the homepage to our social media, the Smash team, Smash merch, our forum, and more. Today's featured product is Universum Liberate, as I would prefer each one of you to be free. So I recite the motto of the Galactic Federation Special Forces, Universum Liberate. If you're wondering what the symbolism means, the key means signal strength and security. The lightning bolt means galactic scale reach and an instantaneous application thereof. The bright spot is a secret. We can't tell you what that means, or we may have to send you to a different planet or a different gulag. And the spiral represents the Milky Way galaxy. That's the Galactic Federation Special Forces, folks. If you'd like to join, well, you can send us an application. Or you can help to support the Galactic Federation Special Forces by picking up some merch. So you get a shower curtain, you get a canvas print, you can get a mini skirt, a bunch of different shirt and sweatshirt options. How about a tank top? We'll be modeling this soon. And I would like to say one more time, Universum Liberate, if I could wave my magic wand, I'd set everybody free. Next, your U.S. Doppler Radar Map. There's the all 50 state view. We're going to fixate on the lower 48. So there's a lower 48 view. Here's clouds and fog. It's too dark over half the country to use the visible satellite, so we'll use the shortwave radiation. 3.9 nanometers is the wavelength. And there is the water vapor map. You can see a lot of water vapor vanishing here over places like Oklahoma, northeastern Texas, Arkansas, and some of Louisiana. That is what we call rapid precipitation there. Perhaps inches of rain falling in a very short period of time. That's a lot of water leaving the atmosphere, which, through process of deduction, tells us there was a lot of precipitation. Here's your recap. U.S. Doppler radar, shortwave radiation map, and there is the water vapor. We hope you're able to understand atmospheric physics. Good morning, Tin Man 1057. Thanks for leaving a comment. We hope you're able to understand atmospheric physics. At the Smash News Network, Least Busted Name of News, we prefer to empower our viewers to understand how to forecast your own weather. So we hope you're able to. Thanks for tuning in to the Smash News Network, Least Busted Name of News. As I sign off, may that terrestrial wind be at your back. Opinions expressed in this video, not necessarily the opinions of Smash News Network, Least Busted Name in News.